guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this watercolor technique for dyeing hair. It's a very quick and easy technique, and without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So you're going to be needing a big plastic bowl or a pot, some gloves, and I'm using the Adore 178 Royal Navy color because I wanted a deep dark blue. Next, I'm going to be using hair from luvinhairshop.com. I'm using their 613 bundles. I was sent 4 bundles of hair, 116, 2 18s, and a 20 and a 16-inch front. So straight out of the pack, the hair feels very soft and smooth. So I'm starting by releasing the hair. You want to make sure you release the hair properly so that when you soak it in the water, everything goes inside. So as you can see, I'm unraveling it. So I'm folding it into about 4. Next, I'm going to get my boiling hot water. Now some people do this inside their pots, but I really don't like the idea of putting dye in my pot, so I just decided to use a plastic bowl. So you go ahead and pour the boiling hot water into the bowl. Now the first bundle I used boiling hot water, but subsequent bundles I didn't use boiling hot water. I used hot water, but it wasn't boiling. I just wanted to see if it would still work, and it still worked, so you don't have to use boiling hot water. Next, I'm pouring the dye into the bowl. I'm using about 3/4 container for one bundle. The more dye you put in, the darker and the deeper that your color will come out because it's more concentrated. I should have actually used one whole bottle, but since this was my first time, I just wanted to be careful and try things out. So I went ahead and soaked the paper towel into the bowl to see the shade of blue I had. That's kind of how I tested to see if it's okay. Then you go ahead and soak your bundle. Make sure you soak everything in at once because the parts you soak in first take up most of the color, so you want to dip everything in at once. Then use the brush to kind of like turn the hair around in the bowl, soak it in so that everything soaks up color. Then from time to time lift it up to check it. You can also leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes. So I'm just taking it out to check it to see if I like the way it looks, and I think it's looking okay. So I'm just going to take it out, go and rinse it off, and yeah, put some conditioner in the hair, leave that on for a few minutes and rinse it off as well. So I've done 2 bundles. As you can see, the first bundle I used boiling hot water, the second bundle I used hot water, but it wasn't boiling hot, and I still got basically the same result. So if you don't want to use boiling hot water, if you're scared of destroying your hair, you don't have to do that. So I'm just preparing another mixture for the last bundle and the frontal. As you can see, I'm dipping in the paper towel to check the color, and I decided to dip in both the last bundle and the frontal together just to see if you do more than one bundle at a time, if it's still going to work, and it did. And also note that the color does not get on the lace. As you can see, the lace is not stained at all. That's one question a lot of people normally have when it comes to this technique. It doesn't stain your lace. Your lace is going to come out fresh. As you can see, not one drop of blue dye is on the lace. Also, the reason why people use hot water is so that the dye dissolves faster, because heat helps color dissolve faster. So if you're not using a lot of dye, if you want to do like a light pastel color, you don't have to use hot water. You can just use lukewarm water. But since I was doing a deep dark color, I decided to use hot water so that it will help all the dye dissolve really well. So I went ahead and put some curls in the hair because I wanted it to have like big waves, and I'm just brushing that out. I also colored the roots of the frontal so that you have dark roots, and I also bleached the knot so it will look more realistic. But yeah, this is what the final result is looking like. I brushed out the curls. As you can see, the hair holds curls really well. I haven't tinted the lace yet to make it like brown, but for now this is what it's looking like. It looks pretty okay. I just need to tint it so it's more brown, so it fits my scalp more. I think I should have added more dye to the water to make the color deeper, but just know that the more dye you add, the darker and deeper your color is going to get, so just use that to gauge what you do. Hi guys, so this is the final result of the color. Yeah, this is how the thing turned out. As you guys saw, the blue dye didn't get on the lace. So yeah, this method for dyeing hair is very quick, very easy and very efficient. I honestly feel like this is the method I'm going to be using as from now on. I'm going to try this in other different colors, see how it turns out. But yeah, to be honest, this blue is very new for me. I absolutely do not know where I'm going to be wearing this wig to for now, but it's nice to know that I have a blue wig. So yeah, this is something I'm going to have to get used to, and I feel like with time I will finally figure out where I can wear this wig to. I just need to get used to it. As you can see, the hair takes curls really well. Like, the curls came out really nice. I wanted it to have this like wavy kind of look, reminding me of the ocean since it was blue. But yeah, this is the first time I'm trying this technique and I really like the results. There were some little things that I could have done better. Just make sure when you're doing this technique, you put all the hair in the water at once, because the parts that get into the water first are going to soak up all the color. So you want to make sure you get everything in as much as possible. Generally, I didn't have any problems working with this hair. Yeah, everything was so straightforward for me. This is literally the easiest method I've ever used to color hair. I can't even believe I did it that fast. Normally, coloring hair can be very stressful because you have to like paint the color on the hair like piece by piece so that it's saturated. But this, you just dip it in the water and yeah, take it out and you have a really nice gorgeous color. Yeah, let's jump straight into the specs of the hair. So this hair is from Luvin Hair. They sent me 4 bundles of hair and a 16-inch frontal, 1 16, 2 18s, a 20 and the 16-inch frontal. I only used the 16, the 18 and the 20, so 3 bundles. I had some shedding in the hair, but it wasn't crazy, like really minimal amounts of shedding. I didn't have any tangling. The hair didn't come with any nasty smells. As you guys see, it takes curls really well. It takes heat really well. It takes color really well. Yeah, the first bundle I did, I soaked it in boiling hot water and the bundle still came out really soft. Like, all the bundles are still very soft. As you can see, the hair has a lot of movement, it has a lot of body. One thing I noticed is that the hair wasn't as full as what I have some companies that I have received in the past. Normally I use 3 bundles and it's like really good. I mean, the hair still looks pretty full, but yeah, it was just the bundles felt like they were just a tiny bit less thick than what I'm normally used to. It wasn't like the bundles were thin or anything. No, it was just like the bundles weren't as thick and as what I'm normally used to. The frontal was amazing. This is the best frontal I've ever worked with. Like, very nice frontal. The hairline is plucked to perfection. You literally do not have to pluck a single hair from this hairline. The frontal lays very flat. Yeah, I didn't have any problems at all with regards to the frontal. Absolutely no problem. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give them an 8.5. 8.5, 9, because I really liked the hair. The only issue I had was that I feel like the bundles weren't as thick as what I'm normally used to. Not that the bundles were thin or anything, but I feel like they could have been like a little bit, just a tiny bit thicker. Let me know down below in the comment section if you would rock something like this. Let me know if you tried something like this. Let me know if this is too bright for you. Like I said, the hair is from Luvin Hair. All the information will be down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. The quality of the hair is amazing. The hair is really soft, like very soft. I really loved working with this company. I will definitely work with them again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other wig videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.